This is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to scan documents on your iPhone and easily send them as an email. So we can use the Notes application that comes with our iPhone or iPad. So let's just go to App Library here and just type in Notes. And that's what I had up before. So go to Notes. And under here, what we want to do is locate the crayon option right here. So you might have an option under here like for pictures or something like that. You can look around in different locations. Now, it should be on the bottom on your iPhone, but on your iPad, I have this little option right here. These two little arrows. And then I have a scan option. So now I can use this to just basically take a picture. So let's go up here. And let's just take a picture of my phone. And sometimes it will like highlight it and stuff, and it'll turn yellow. And then we can just take a picture. And then it should like crop it down for you, otherwise you can do it manually with your hands here. So you can see I can just drag this now. Well, I should be able to just drag the corner right here. And I can decide where I want it cropped. And if you go a little bit further, you should be able to like rotate it and stuff like that. But this is pretty good. I just bring it down a little bit more, and then I can retake or keep. So I'm going to keep this. So it's just a picture of my phone. And once you're done scanning, just hit this check mark in the top right. Here's my picture of my phone. It's not great or anything like that. Then we can try tapping on the photos to share it, or you can see I have this down arrow right here. I can go to where it says share, and then I can go to email, and I can just share it with email. So I don't have any connected emails or anything like that, but otherwise I should be able to go through there and do that. So if I go back to Notes, there is one more other way that we can share it. On the top we do have a share option. We can just copy it, export, or just send it as email, AirDrop, or wherever. So very easy to scan documents, pictures, and then just send them on their way. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.